Hey there! If you're on a journey to get healthier, one thing you've probably heard a lot about is protein. But with so many options out there, plant-based, animal-based, what should you actually choose? Let's break it down. If you eat meat, eggs are a classic. They pack all the essential amino acids and are super easy to cook. Chicken breast and fish like salmon or tuna are really lean. Lots of protein, less fat. If you love dairy, Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are top picks, loaded with protein and gut-friendly probiotics. But hey, if you're plant-based, don't worry. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are protein powerhouses. Add them to salads, stews, or even make bean burgers. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids and it's gluten-free too. Tofu and tempeh are super versatile. They soak up any flavor and work in stir-fries, curries, or sandwiches. And don't forget nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia, and hemp seeds are small but mighty. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or blend into smoothies. The best part? You can mix and match. Variety is key, not just for protein, but for vitamins, minerals, and fiber too. So, whether you're a meat lover or a veggie enthusiast, there's a protein source out there that fits your lifestyle. Try new things, listen to your body, and enjoy the process. Here's to your health, one delicious meal at a time.